I ordered one.
Oopsie poopsie. Gear.
Take you to a ATOTO.
Shot with what out?
About 2 months ago, I bought this 2005 Subaru STI, and it runs and drives. I had no intention of keeping it. However, plans have changed, and I have since spent thousands of dollars on this car. We've got a radio to install on this thing from ATOTO, and then we will discuss our plans with this thing that's gonna cost us a lot of money and be very controversial and make the car not very functional, but it will be a lot of fun. So let's dive right into it. So quick details on this car. Again, I purchased it running and driving. It's not fully tuned. It came with some other performance stuff that I sold. It is a 2005 STI. It is wrapped black, as you can see. You can see the World Rally Blue inner parts here. Just discovered that this door is silver, so that door is not original. It's got my favorite Ej20X engines, front mount intercooler, flex fuel kit, blow off valve. I don't think it's got an external wastegate. Does not. Intake, radiator, basic stuff. This car is pretty clean rust-wise. He did tell me that when he wrapped it, he had to sand down the quarter panels to make the wrap stick because the clear coat was peeling. And the first thing we are gonna knock out today is a radio sent to us by ATOTO, because we've got an old Pioneer in here. Nothing wrong with Pioneer, but it is an older one. No Apple CarPlay, none of the fancy stuff. So we're gonna set this up, unbox it, and explore how it's gonna go to install it and all its features. Easiest car ever to get to the radio if you know what you're doing. That pops out. One Felipe gone. This guy comes out, 2 plugs, and a little tube for the HVAC. I don't know what it is, but it's there, just like that. Radio out. Oh, more Felipe. Unplug, unplug, unplug. Interesting. I don't know what that goes to. Oh, there's the access port. Don't know what that goes to. Got it. Old radio. Let's take a look at ATOTO. So thank you again to ATOTO for sending this out. And this is a doubled-in insert, but it is I believe this is a 9-inch screen model. So it's actually their smaller screen model, but it is still a larger than doubled-in screen, which is super cool. Look at that. Let's open this bad boy up. Oh. Wow, look at that. Pretty slick. What is this thing? Directions. Never heard of her. Got this whole box of good stuff. Look at that. Oh, it tells us. Here's our harness. So this plugs into the back of the radio, just like so, and wires into the adapter for the car, which is purchased separately. There's gotta be a little manual. Maybe it's online. Maybe it's online. Right there. We've got our USBs. Oh!
I can just film this for a second. You're almost done.
No, I can do it myself.
Look at you, crafty son of a gun.
Perfect. 4-in-1 antenna, movable mounting brackets, mounting screws, tri-band audio with remote receiver, installation frame, LTE adapter, front recording camera, and a rear recording camera, extension cable, cable frame, adapter cable.
Dab plus antenna.
So it's got cameras?
The cost makes a lot more sense when you realize it's also a full-blown camera system.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, brah.
Yeah.
So it's gonna have to sit out a little bit. It should fit in there. It's not gonna block the vents, and it's not gonna block the HVAC stuff. I don't know how good of a view you can see of that, but if I do that, it should be totally fine. I'm not sure. Let's see. Looks like I'll need to trim this slightly, ever so slightly. Could you do me a favor, Benjamin? There's the brackets on the back of the car there. Could you grab those for me? Oh, never mind. They're in my lap. This is a legit kit. This is legitness.
That was legitness.
This don't make sense to me. Maybe I should read the manual. Interesting. Okay. I see. Directions are helpful. If you were wondering, I'm just listening to the directions. So now these brackets should, if I'm correct, now allow me to use my factory bracket. One, there's two, just like that. So this bracket allows you to attach your factory bracket to go back in the car. And there's plenty of adjustment on here. There's lots of different mounting points. So far, this is looking promising. Get this old piece of junk Pioneer out of here. We've got an old Pioneer in here. Nothing wrong with Pioneer. Piece of junk. Let's set it in there. Hit tap on there. Ooh, we're hitting something. It's just me. Look at that, Ben. All right, we know it fits and it's gonna look good. We know that. We do have to modify our bezel here, and you won't be able to see it once the radio's installed anyways. And it's not much. It's just gonna be like a little zip, 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 and that's it. Let's mess with wiring. Here we've got our harness all wired up. I said we had to trim this. I was lying. It's just because I'm really smart that I figured out that you can disassemble the radio off this little bracket. So we can slide this bracket through our trim and then reattach the screen to it. Wonder if this has wireless Apple CarPlay. All right, we got this bracket installed, nice and secure. Then there are some little tabs I had to bend here so that our trim piece fits in here, and it fits in here like so perfectly snug. Screw this in, that's good. Now that slides in there. I think that's just like that. Sheesh! Let's see if it works. I hate when I accidentally change my watch face. I can't read this one. What am I doing? It ain't digital, it ain't for me. Okay. Battery. Hopefully we don't blow something up. Let's see. ATOTO. Come take a peeky. Pretty sleek looking. Still can get to your HVAC stuff. What you think, buddy? Oh. Wow. YouTube.
Hi! Perfect.
Do you have your phone on you?
Yes.
Let's see if we can connect to this. There it goes. Look at that.
What a nice.
Where's the volume? Oh.
Bad audio.
Let's try YouTube now.
How about that?
How do you turn the volume up? We are going to install more of the stuff that they supply, like the front-facing camera and the rear-facing camera, and I will show that when it is done. But so far, I am very, 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 very impressed with the quality of it. It's really responsive, super quick, and I mean, like, I like the swipe up feature because I'm used to iPhones. I like it, and you can watch cool videos. I don't know how to do volume. All right, I think I have the cameras hooked up. Let's give those a shot. See if we can get those to turn on. Is it this button? Aha! There's the front one. Need to take the plastic off of it. There we go. That looks a little bit better. Dang, look at this thing, dude. Oh, wait a minute. What? Why is this in here? I was working on it. What's wrong with it? Nothing. Why are you working on it?
I will never ride in this car once you,
You did?
yeah. Dang, boss.
I was watching my edit in here.
Hello, Benjamin. So am I driving this hoe out of here?
Why would you be driving? Because then we could do redemption.
Oh. I like my barn door without a massive car size hole in it.
I don't like my garage door umbrella.
So Robert, don't text me in school because I won't be responding until like 3. I know why.
Why?
Because I got caught with it out and now I have to, this is my second offense.
Get caught with what out?
I know, my
Dude!
If you guys are looking for a radio, I would suggest this radio. In the description, I have some discount codes linked, and you can get that thing on sale and cheaper compared to what it normally costs. And it's pretty sweet. It's got the front camera, the rear camera. You can do service to the thing if you want, cellular service. It's got a ton of stuff, so it's pretty cool. It functions super well. It's not laggy. It's really nice. I'm surprised, but I would go check that out. Like I said, in the description, we have some stuff linked, and you can get yourself on Amazon or off of the ATOTO website for a pretty good discount. So now let's go over the plans with this car. Basically, I wanted to do one of these kits for a long time. They are very controversial on how they look. I don't think they're the best looking either, but I think it'd be cool to have, and I wanted to do one, and they were going out of stock with these kits and not producing anymore, so I ordered one. So if you don't know what a Subaru Ute is, this is what it is essentially. This is a kit that I ordered. Oh, I should not have needles in the background. Hi, kitty. Hey, buddy. Oh yeah, we can do a little update right now too. We got 2 new kitties because unfortunately, in one of the previous videos, I talked about how one of our old cats, Bro, got hit, and then also Dude also got hit by a car. So we had to get new kittens. Here's one of them. This is Buddy, and the other one here that Ben has. This one is Honey. They are brother and sister. And of course, we got Dippers down there. He's a little upset that the kitties are getting so much attention. Oh, geez, kitty. Yeah. So, these are the new kitties, and Dippy's just keeps growing and gets bigger and bigger. So, this is this Subaru Ute kit, and basically, it turns it into a 2-door mini truck. That's a lot of words. I'm not reading them. Basically, though, it's a pretty legit kit. It comes with all this bracing, it comes with all this steel to make the bed, and this is what it looks like when it's done. This is like a lifted one. It comes with this rear glass piece, comes with this tailgate, the rear bumper, the tail lights. Yeah, it's a pretty legit kit. So it's gonna be interesting. I've always wanted to do one. There's gonna be a lot of people that say they're ugly, which I'm not denying that, but I'm gonna do it. So that's the plan with this car. Once we do the Ute kit to this thing, we're debating whether we do lifted and we kind of do that sort of look, or if we do more of a street look similar to what it is, but with different rims, but lowered, and something that you just drive on the street and take to meets. So I want to know what you guys think. Comment below if we should do the off-road setup. If we do, what we kind of should we go coilover method? Should we go just a lift kit, bigger tires? And if we do the street method, give me some rim suggestions and just other suggestions on what you think would make this thing look as cool as it can, being what it's gonna look like with the Ute kit on it. And also, as I said, this car is wrapped. And to do the Ute kit, you've gotta chop this car up basically. Basically, you cut it like right here, and you take off the rear door, and you cut down below here, and like the whole top rear section comes off. And so we're gonna have to redo some of the wrap, and we want suggestions on what we should wrap it as well. We have some ideas, but what should we wrap it as well? The paint underneath is not good, I don't think, so we could just have it primed and wrapped, or we could have it painted and leave it. I don't know exactly. Give us some suggestions. We are open to hearing all the suggestions. That's the plan with this car. That's not why originally I bought it, but that's what it has turned into. Like I said, this kit is already ordered and on the way, and hopefully by springtime, we could maybe have this done. We will see. We're using this video as kind of a general update as well for just what's going on in the shop. So Ben, as of what, a month and a half ago? A month and a half ago, Ben works here full time. So he does social media stuff, a lot of social media stuff, shipping, packaging, organizing, lots of good stuff that I can't, well, not that I can't do, but I'm not good at.
Go like the videos because I want the job to keep going, so.
Exactly. So, and then Anders also still works here. He is in school though, so he is just part-time. He's a part-timer, and then he wants to work full-time once school is done, but we will see how that goes. It's new to me having employees, especially full-time employees, but kitties are menaces right now, and Dippy's been getting a lot better. Right, Dip? Yeah.
Noises. This never goes the way I think it's gonna. Okay. You want them both open? Oopsie poopsie. Very nice. Grab our fancy new mics by DJI. If they sponsor us, we'll put this in the video, but if they keep not replying to me, I'm gonna throw this mic in the water. And we got gear all over the place.
You got what?
Gear all over the place.
Deer?
Gear.
Oh.
It was such a wet thud.
Okay. Oh, Dippy's still in the back. Dippy, sorry, buddy. Come on. Little update for the rest of the cars. We've got lots of cars here that we're going to use for parts, to put it nicely. I'm excited for this video. I'm hoping it comes in sooner than later and we can knock this thing out. I think that was everything we had for this video.
Yeah.
That's all we have for this video. If you watched all the way through, I appreciate it very much. And I hope to see you guys in the next one.
Back at the car.
We need to get.
This video is sponsored by J&H Family Stores.
We need a sponsor.
We need bigger
We don't have
sponsors.
any big sponsors. Actually, thank you to ATOTO for this video.
Thank you, Toto, very much.
Oh, thank you very much, ATOTO.
Yippee.
Okay, back to work now.
Back to work.